Hey everybody, hey, welcome to another episode of YouTube Live with the Avebury Farm. We are actually here with another boot camp look-in, but this one's a little bit different. Normally we have what we call Beeline Boot Camp. We help people to progress through gold, silver, the various levels of Beeline in order to get them funded. And now we've taken the funded people or created the boot camp just for them. So now what do you do after you're funded? Well, you trade for income, right? You generate income through trades. Now, there's two parts to that. One is you trade for your income, and then the second part is what do you do after you generate income? How do you invest it, or what do you do with your discretionary income? Well, you invest it for wealth. And so we have a two-part series this week where we're talking about trading for income, Monday through Wednesday. And then today, we flip from now, what do we do after we generated the income? Now, how do we invest that for wealth? And that's what we're doing here this week at Boot Camp. And so is our investing for wealth, trading for income boot camp this week. We're going to walk around. We're actually on lunch break, so what a great opportunity to talk to some people walking around like this lady right behind me.
Hey!
If you hold on, I got to talk about this is our pizza delivery girl. It's in our office. If you've ever attended a boot camp or anything like that, you will be well fed, well catered, and any issues that you have, she doesn't really take care of them, but she loves to handle them. No, so one thing about boot camps, and then behind the scenes, it takes a lot of support behind the scenes. And one lady that gives a ton of support on these boot camps is Carrie, for sure. So the nicest thing about coming to this boot camps is all you got to do is take care of how you get here. So she takes care of all the food and the lodging and everything is all included, and she makes sure that gets done. So we love to have her on the spot. We want the most awkward question. In fact, if anybody has any awkward questions, we would love to hear them.
Help!
I'm looking at your comments right now. So, Carrie, what's your favorite thing about these summits and the boot camps?
Oh, without a doubt.
All right, so let's panel. Let's see. This is part of Carrie. What Carrie does. So she brought the pizza in today. We have normally in the evening she'll bring in an awesome dinner. One of my favorite food that she's ever brought in has been she does a brisket. It's really good, beef brisket.
And I was able to go home and finish the necessary tasks to get funded. So that was definitely worthwhile. The Carolina Summit was a blast because it was close to home, so I could drive there in just a couple of hours. But when I got out of the Carolina Summit, surprisingly, that material that they gave out there was overall, it's been good for me because it's helped me with the finishing touches and everything, along with just practicing with demo accounts and trading in a lot of transition. And so now I feel like I've finally tied it all together, and I have the
So if I'm not mistaken, you've just been with us.
September of 2018, so about 8 months.
You're fine.
When we prayed that they held, he didn't lose confidence. He kept trading, got back to eating, got back to profitability, and then the next day he was back to is that when I have a losing trade or a losing day or bad day, don't, destroy yourself. Don't take yourself back to zero and say, hey, I need a new strategy. I can't do this, all that. Just chalk it up to experience, learn from your mistake, and then move forward and keep going. So that's the biggest takeaway I got from this.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Let's see if we can find, So if you guys don't know Steve, you should. Steve runs My Trading Signals, and so if you're not signed up for My Trading Signals, you should be, because just about every day I get a signal from this guy that says, hey, go long, go short, this many pips, take this much, and so it's a great opportunity for us to really, and he's the guy.
The Wealth Boot Camp.
Appreciate it, Steve. I'm sorry. I know that some of you guys are having connection issues. It's the Wi-Fi, but I promise you that as soon as it's done, it'll repost and you guys can watch it again. But if you do have any comments or questions that you want to know, please ask, and I can find the answers for you if I don't have them. So any comments, questions. But again, if you like these YouTube lives that we keep doing weekly, go ahead and like it, and so that we know that which ones that you guys like to do. If you like the live look-ins, or rather have a strategy, or you like the live trading, we kind of gauge what you guys like by the likes. And so if you really like one topic or another, like it, and so we'll try to produce more of that one thing or another. All right, let's go over here. Actually, we had a Trader on the Street episode this morning, or a tap room episode this morning, with Sean and a lady named Ola. If you guys were able to watch it, she actually did really, really well. And so I'm going to kind of interrupt these two right here and see if I can jump in on this conversation.
Good, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to have done it, because it's a dream. It was a dream that I really wanted to do. But I never expected. I said, well, Sean's not coming to Detroit because it's too cold there.
So you had to come to Sean.
So I came to Utah. See, I told myself that coming here was my birthday present to me. And everybody kept saying, well, what are you doing on your birthday? What do you do? I said, I'm going to Utah. I'm going to be in Utah for my, well, who's in Utah? I'm like, never mind who's there. I'm going to Utah, and no, I don't have any family there. But I do have family there because I really do consider A. Perry family. I mean, it's not the first time I've been here, so. The more you come, the more like family you feel. Yeah.
So how did you do today in your trading session?
I did better than I did on my own. Yep, I did very well. And then Sean helped me out a little bit more, because this morning he was trading.
She was a great learner. She followed the directions perfectly. She got us in at the right points, and it was just really fun to watch her manage those positions in the market, and ultimately she hit her goal, and that's what we're always striving to do. Be consistent, be profitable, and do it all over and over and over and over again. So. Yep, that's our goal, isn't it, Ola?
My goal.
Any rate, I'll turn the mic back over to Dave.
Thanks, Sean. I appreciate it. So yeah, I mean, you never know what's going to happen at these boot camps, but we do know one thing for sure is that you won't get any sleep. So let's just maybe a few more conversations that we can jump in on, and then we'll call it from here. But I appreciate the comment, Thomas, that you like to watch the trading and the trade. Don't let that make you nervous at all. Whatever. So we're just kind of going around and giving your thoughts of what's going on this week, where you guys are at, what are you thinking, and yeah, just tell us what's been happening this week.
Yeah, we've had a great time at the boot camp. We've talked a lot about the first 2 days the markets were a little bit slow, so we talked a lot about economics, and had some great conversations today. We had some exciting movement, so we were able to actually take some trades and show them what was going on. But yeah, we've had a fantastic time trading. Yeah, we've learned a lot. I can't speak on behalf of Liz or John or Jim here, but maybe I should turn it over to you. What's been your thoughts?
Oh, I think it's been great just to share with a lot of traders, people who do the same thing, because a lot of times I am alone in my house and I have no contact with other traders, so it has been amazing to learn from people who know so much more than I do. So it has been fantastic to share.
Good. John, what's your
meeting? And if somebody's interested in learning how to trade currencies, I think this is certainly the place to be.
Appreciate your guys' comments and thoughts. Hey, I'm going to give 50 points to everybody out there in YouTube or at the table to ask Nate the most awkward question in the world. Anybody have a funny or awkward question? Here we go. Alrighty, somebody right there.
Hey Nate, what do you think of the public school system?
That is not awkward, and we're going to be here
This
forever.
isn't. Yeah, I got a lot to say about that. I homeschool my kids, so Rex was teasing me about that, and I definitely have my opinions about that.
But we probably get kicked off of YouTube if you voice them. So we're going to no, just kidding. Appreciate it. Yeah, actually, I was just
Services Company of the Year award. So
awesome.
we just won our city's best company award. So that's awesome. Best company award from our city. So
That's
this
really
is the second year in a row we've won it. So awesome.
Hey guys. Hey guys, real fast. Sean just got an award from the city for the second year in a row being the best. What is it?
Best financial services company in the city. So. Wonderful. That's awesome.
That is really cool. I guess there's something else in the box. Oh, wow.
My goodness. Wow.
Look at that. That's really nice.
That's awesome.
So this actually just happened just happened right in a second. So we're excited. So hey, and that's just a true testament to what Sean's built, right? So.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's so neat. So yeah, that's the second year in a row that we've been fortunate to win that recognition, and I think honestly it's just a focus on.
And that's where we'll stop. The world. Thank you. That's awesome. All right, guys. So that's basically concludes our little live look in, our little tour. These guys are almost done with lunch, so they're going to go back in there and going to start trading again and getting some more instruction, like Steve said, long-term trading, scalping, strategies on how to generate wealth once you've traded your income. So again, we appreciate everybody that we appreciate you guys for jumping on, making it live. If you can ever get to a summit, get to a summit. If you can get to a boot camp, even better, because you can see there's not a whole lot of people here like there are at the summits. So we get to give you that personal one-on-one attention, and we get to sit down with you, look at your trading, look at your statistics, and find where's areas of improvement, or where can we help you to get to that next level. And that's what we're all about. So the more opportunities that we can trade with you, the better. We try to do it virtually.